Proper execution of the pipe fabrication process is essential knowledge for every pipe fitter. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of fitting up a flange to a pipe and performing the welding procedure step by step. When fitting a flange onto a pipe, a 3 to 4 mm gap is maintained for welding. This gap is crucial for achieving a strong and high-quality root weld. To prevent the gap from closing during welding, several tack welds are applied at different points. These temporary welds help hold the flange in position and ensure a stable fit-up before full welding begins. Once the flange is secured, the root weld is performed using argon welding. A strong root pass is essential for creating a durable bond and preventing defects in the final weld. After completing the root weld, a hot pass is applied over the weld bead to further reinforce the joint and enhance penetration. This step helps eliminate any impurities and ensures better fusion between the weld layers. To build up the weld, electrode welding is used over the argon root pass. Since the pipe wall thickness is significant, electrode welding is the most efficient and reliable joint filling. The final step is the cap weld, which provides both strength and a clean finish. The cap weld ensures that the joint is sealed properly and meets structural integrity standards. In this video, you can observe both the root weld and the cap weld in action. What do you think about this fabrication process? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.